In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a slide in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever hidden a slide to streamline a presentation and now need it back, don't worry, this is quick and easy. Hidden slides are simply slides that won't show up when you present, and Impress gives you two straightforward ways to bring them back. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. If the app is already open, you're all set. Next, open the presentation you want to edit. You can open it from the recent files list or by browsing to where it's saved on your computer. Once your presentation is open, look to the left side of the screen for the Slides pane, the vertical strip that shows small thumbnail previews of every slide in your deck. This is where you'll identify any slides that are hidden. A hidden slide usually looks slightly dimmed compared to the others, and you might see a diagonal slash through its slide number. That visual cue is your confirmation that the slide won't appear during a slideshow. Find the slide you want to unhide in that list. The fastest method is to right-click directly on that hidden slide's thumbnail. A small context menu will pop up. From there, choose the option labeled Show Slide. In some versions, it may appear as Show Hide Slide. Selecting this will immediately restore the slide to your presentation's flow. You'll notice the thumbnail return to its normal brightness and the diagonal slash disappear. That's how you know it worked. If you prefer using the menu bar, there's an alternative that does the same thing. Click once on the hidden slide in the Slides pane to select it. Then move to the top of the window and open the Slide menu. In that menu, click Show Slide. This performs the same action as the right-click method, so use whichever feels more comfortable. After unhiding, take a moment to scan your Slides pane to confirm the slide looks like the others. That visual consistency means it will now appear when you present. If your version labels the command Show Hide Slide, remember it's a toggle. Selecting it when a slide is hidden will show it, and selecting it when a slide is visible will hide it. That's all there is to it. Launch Impress. Open your file. Find the hidden slide in the Slides pane, and either right-click and choose Show Slide or use the slide menu at the top to do the same. With your slide visible again, your presentation will flow exactly the way you intend.